Doctors often tell us that laughter is the best medicine. Now, I'm no doctor, but allow myself to beg you to differ. I think music is the best medicine. Why? Well, music can't heal a broken back or a toe cramp, but it sure can make you smile when you're feeling sad. And yes, it can even make you laugh, which makes it a double medicine, which is better. Here's singer-songwriter Candace Pierce with her amazing original song, Trainwreck.
Stealing pegs, no stealing bars, remind me of a place my heart. Walking on the railroad Sunday as the sun basks in my face. Kicking rocks and throwing sticks, making my way to Old Vic's. Bagging groceries every day isn't quite the plan I know exists. Started a game plan and packed my bags, grabbed my 9mm and filled the mags. The only place to go is up from here, so my friends took me out for one last beer. When the train comes rolling through this town, I'm rocking a new world upside down. Mama always told me to stay off the railroad. The way I see it, it's the only way to go. Don't call it a train wreck, baby. It's my one-way ticket to a better place. When it comes to me, Mama always said, follow your heart and use your head. Don't let others push you around. Hold your head up high, keep your feet on the ground. I roll alone from state to state. Where I land relies on fate. Take a good look and remember this. I'll turn around and show you what to kiss. When the train comes rolling through this town, I'm rocking the new world upside down. Mama always told me to stay off the railroad. The way I see it, it's the only way to go. Don't call it a train wreck, baby. It's my one-way ticket for a better place. Told me this would be a train wreck. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Feel like packing up, shipping out, train or plane or road trip. Mama always told me, Mama always told me, upside down. Mama always told me to stay off the railroad. Mama always told me, upside down. Mama always told me, stay off the railroad. Rolling through this town, I'm rocking the new world upside down. Mama always told me. Mama always told me, Mama always told me, Mama always told me to stay off the railroad, yeah. Woo. Yeah.
Candace Pierce, that was lovely. Thanks so much for being on the show.
Thank you.
Welcome to the intersection of Hollywood and/or Broadway.
Happy to be here.
Awesome. So tell me the song Trainwreck, in a sentence or two, what does it mean to you?
It's basically just about getting out of a small town, you know, making a better life for myself rather than just like, you know, staying there essentially. There's nothing wrong with that by any means, but it's just making a bigger life for myself. That's all.
Well, that's awesome. It sounded great. We loved hearing it, and thanks for being on the show.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, did you know we're on Twitter? To talk about our show, make sure you add Tic-Tac-Toe Star Makers to the end of your tweet. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more. Hi, I'm Steve Gadlin, the host of Steve Gadlin Star Makers. Thanks so much for watching our video. For more of tomorrow's stars of Hollywood and/or Broadway, click on my face to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope to see you again.